Hey guys, it's Kyrah. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys all about my DEVACUT experience. As you can see, the curls are like never before. Like, my hair is so juicy and bouncy and full of life, and I am just obsessed with how my hair looks and feels and the health of it and the quality of it. And I feel like getting a DEVACUT was such a great decision for me personally. I know that a lot of people in the natural hair community and in the curly hair community, we're always scared to cut our hair because we don't want to lose length, but I think it's really important to understand that it should always be health over length. I was also terrified to cut my hair because I just didn't want to lose length. I didn't want to like chop all my hair off and then, you know, I'd be somewhere like crying. But honestly, it really wasn't that bad. It was so worth it, and it's just hair. Like, I promise you, it grows back. And if you guys want to see an updated curly hair routine on how I got my curls popping, you guys, like, look at this. Make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Especially subscribe. I have a lot of you guys watching but not subscribing, so I'm gonna need to change that. I am using all new products, and my hair is literally soaking them in. Like, my hair is loving everything that I've been using. So if you guys want to see a new curly hair routine from me now that I have the cut and using the new products and everything, definitely give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. And without further ado, let's just hop right into the video. I got my hair cut at a salon called Kyrah.a. It's in North Arlington, New Jersey. So if you're in the Jersey area, I would definitely check her out. I went on the website, the DevaCurl website, and I went over to where it says salons or stylists, something like that. I put in my zip code, and then from there it comes with a list of all of the salons in your area within a certain mile radius that are DevaCurl certified, and then it says whether they are, like, what certification that they have, like whether they have the highest level or the lowest level. It shows you the ratings from the DevaCurl website itself, so people who have actually gone there will go through the DevaCurl website and leave ratings. So I came across this place called Kyrah.a, which once again is in North Arlington. The lady who owns the shop, her name is Iris, and she is, from my understanding, the only stylist there. She has her assistants who help to like style the hairs and put the product and stuff in, but she's the one who does all of the cutting and techniques. And she was super nice, very kind. At the beginning you go in and they do kind of like a consultation, if you will. So you go in and she will ask you, you know, like, how do you like your hair? What way do you wear it? Do you wear it to the middle? You show pictures and stuff like that. And she just asked me a lot of questions and asked me about things like school and college and everything like that. So we got to have like a personable experience. It wasn't like I was sitting in the chair shaking and trembling, even though I was on the inside. When you go in, you're supposed to go in. They say that you should go in with your hair in its natural state and try to put no product or as little product in as possible. For my hair, I believe that I put a little tiny bit of leave-in conditioner in, like just a little bit, and let it air dry with basically nothing in it, because my hair, I don't know, I just wasn't trying to walk out the house with no product in my hair, because I felt like when they detangle it, it would be like Hot Mess Express, and I was not trying to have that. So I went in like that. We looked at my hair. I showed her pictures, like I said. I showed her pictures of Mono's hair. I will insert these pictures above in the corner somewhere. And I also showed her a picture of Shanice, Natural Niecy, here on YouTube as well. She is one of the people that really inspired me to go through with like actually getting the cut, and I loved how her haircut came out. So I showed her those two pictures, and she understood, you know, what I wanted. She also told me about how that cut would actually look on my hair, particularly in regards to my length and curl pattern and everything like that, because everyone's hair is different. The whole process itself was super informative. Like, from the time I went in to the time that I left, there was constantly information being thrown at me about how they cut the hair and what technique that they use and how they go curl by curl rather than doing it in, you know, sections and stuff like that. She sees what my hair particularly needed, like I said, and then so she told the lady her assistant who she was going to have style my hair, she let her know what products to use and all of that stuff. And then while she was doing my hair, it was super informative. So when I got over to the wash bowl, because they cut your hair first, so they cut your hair dry in its natural state, then they wash it. But basically she was just giving me so much information about the products from start to finish, so that I knew exactly what was going in my hair, why it was going in my hair, what it claimed to be doing, and how it was going to help my hair. She did the Decadence line, because Decadence, from my understanding, is the most moisturizing line that they have. So she did the No Poo, which had no lather really, and she explained to me how you use it and how it's a good substitution for shampoo, and how it still helps your hair to get clean without you like having to have a whole bunch of lather, like a Head and Shoulders commercial or something like that. So she told me about the No Poo, which has chufa milk and quinoa and some other stuff, and she basically just explained how the DEVACUT products actually use micellar water to help you clean your hair. So she was saying about how it has micellar water in it, so that's what helps to get a clean rinse without having to lather and have the harsh detergents that shampoos have and all that good stuff. So then she did the Decadence conditioner and she put that all throughout my hair, and then she detangled my hair in 4 sections with the Decadence conditioner, and she told me that with this conditioner you want to rinse out a little bit of it, but you want to leave some of it in as a leave-in because that's going to help your hair be prepared for styling. So that's what she did. Then she wrapped my hair up. I got out of the bowl. I went over to the chair. She put all the products in my hair. So from there she used the SuperCream, I believe, and the light defining gel, I want to say. And I had to like hang my head back like this, and she raked all the products throughout my hair. Then I had to flip my head over, and then she raked it through again, and she scrunched it when my head was upside down. She scrunched it like from the ends and then tried to get all the moisture out. So she put some clips at the front of my hair so that it could have like some extra volume, and I sat under the hooded dryer, and then once it was almost dry she took me out and then took the diffuser and just dried it extra and just played around with it a little bit, and that was really that. But the whole entire process was so informative, and Iris really went above and beyond to make sure that I was comfortable and that I fully understood what I was getting, how it was going to be executed from, like I said, when she was cutting my hair all the way up until it being styled. So one, not only are you informed about what's going on so you're not blindsided, but you're informed so that you know better information about how to take care of your hair and how these products are actually helping your hair rather than what they just claim to do. In regards to the products, I actually bought 2 minis at the salon. I bought the 2 minis of, this is the Condition Decadence and the No Poo Decadence. I took both of these with me on vacation to the Bahamas like a month after I got my hair cut, and from my perspective I feel like the No Poo is okay. Zero lather cleanser or something like that. That's what it's advertised as, and me personally, I don't think that the No Poo is worth it. Like, I like it and it's very moisturizing and I like the way that it felt on my hair, but I don't think that it can be in place of a shampoo. Like me personally, this takes the place of a co-wash step, like how I co-wash, and I still feel like after a few weeks I would need to shampoo my hair. So I don't know, that's just my personal opinion. The Condition Decadence on the other hand though, y'all, this right here, this is my right hand, my go-to. I really was impressed with how this performed. I was really impressed with how this performed as a leave-in in my hair. It was so moisturizing and it just like clumped the curls and got everything prepped and ready to go for styling, so that when I put my stylers on, the curls literally just like soaked up all the moisture and just flourished. And I was really impressed with how this performed in my hair. I would definitely purchase the full size of this. I think it retails for like $22, $28 for 12 ounces or something like that, which is pretty pricey, which is why I said I would pass on this, because I'm not spending like, I don't think it's worth it to spend like $20, $30 on something that I can get regular conditioner for that price. But for the Condition Decadence, I definitely would invest in this one. In regards to the products that she used to style my hair, the SuperCream and the light defining gel, I wasn't really like wowed by their performance. I think that for me, the light defining gel, from what I remember, the hold was super light. I mean, hence the name light defining gel. To me, I felt like once my hair fully settled into the products, like as the hours went on, the light defining gel just disappeared. Like I felt like my hair had no hold to it whatsoever, which personally doesn't bother me because it was February when I got this haircut, and I am not a gel type of person whatsoever until the summertime when I need it. So I like a light fluffy type hair situation, but I feel like for it to be a gel, I don't think that it had enough hold for my hair to actually last any longer than it could with my cream products. So I would look into, if you guys were looking into getting one of the gels by them, I'd probably look into the ultra defining gel. They have light defining gel and ultra defining gel. I think that the ultra defining gel would definitely be better for summertime and for hold and for like longevity of your style. So in total, it cost me $85. That was before I tipped her and everything like that. But $85 to me is not bad because I had been researching this for a while and I've seen some curly haircuts get pretty pricey. I have seen those numbers go up. So to me, $85 wasn't bad at all, and I felt like I said the experience and everything was so worth it, so I was happy with that price. When my cut was first finished, as you guys will see, when my cut was first finished and I left the salon, I was like, whoa. Because like when she turned me around from the chair, even though she diffused it and stuff, it's somebody else doing your hair, you know, so it's not necessarily how you would do your hair yourself. And my hair just looked so small, and I was like I was so scared because I'm like looking like, well, where did all my hair go? But once I came home and I washed it with my own products and everything like that, that's when I really seen the cut come to life, and I seen the full potential and the full vision, because I feel like anytime somebody else styles your hair, you don't necessarily fall in love with how it looks. So I felt like, for me personally, when I got the chance to come home and style it myself, that's when I was really like, okay, I'm actually really liking this, and that's when I started to really fall in love with the cut. If I could go back in time, I would definitely do the experience all over again. I feel like it was so worth it, and my hair, the quality of my hair, like I said, has changed so much. My hair before compared to how it looks now is like indescribable. I had been working on my hair journey and coming along on this journey for such a long time, and I felt like my hair finally reached a level of health, but in regards to the shape and how I wanted it to look and feel, it just wasn't there, and the haircut took me like to the top and beyond, and my hair is, no lie, longer than it was when I cut it now, and it's been 3 months. Does that make sense? Longer than it was when I initially cut it. There you go. The top is where I had the most length taken off because I wanted the layered effect. So right up here, you see these curls. Like if I were to try and pull this comes down to like here, and then the back of my hair here. As the months go on, I feel like my hair will just continue to grow and flourish and all that good stuff, and I will be even more obsessed with it every day. I don't know if I would ever get another DEVACUT. Like I would if I wanted to get a shaping of my hair, but as far as getting just a trim, I don't really think I would get a DEVACUT. I mean, it depends. But I don't really feel like I would get a DEVACUT because I just feel like, I don't know if I would want to pay $85 when I just want my ends cleaned up, and I can clean up my own ends. And yeah, I don't know. I mean, everybody's different. It depends on if you're somebody who, like I said, only wears your hair curly. I do wear my hair predominantly curly. However, I do like to switch up and straighten my hair when and if I feel like it. So I wouldn't want to keep getting my hair cut in its curly state, because then say I want to straighten it the next day, my hair probably going to be like, no. So I would definitely recommend you guys to go check Iris out. Once again, her salon is called Curls All Out. You guys should look her up on Instagram at Iris Curls All Out. I'll put that somewhere down below in the description box. It's IRIS Curls All Out, and again, it's in North Arlington, New Jersey. But yeah, the experience that I had was impeccable. I would definitely recommend you guys, highly recommend you guys to go check her out. I feel like the biggest thing with DEVACUTs, if you guys wanted to get one, is to do your research. Like, you should do your research with anything, but make sure that you do your research. So watch some videos on YouTube, go on the DevaCurl website, read reviews on DevaCurl's website, read reviews off of DevaCurl's website. Find out if the stylist has an Instagram page, see if they post stuff frequently. See if you feel comfortable with the textures that they deal with. Just make sure that you guys do your research, make sure that you're comfortable. Talk to the stylist. If you get in the chair and the stylist is not talking to you about anything, if you tell her what you want and she doesn't say anything back, he or she doesn't say anything back, and they don't give you any feedback, I would get up and walk out. It's your hair, your money. I know what it's like to be so nervous about your hair and also to invest money and stuff, and you don't want to be disappointed. So I think that overall you guys should definitely take the chance and get it done. But you know, you guys will have to see that for yourself. If you don't get one, at least look into it. It's definitely worth the investment, and I think you guys will really appreciate it. But yeah, so that's really all that I have for you guys. If you guys enjoy videos about my hair and all that stuff, once again, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see an updated curly hair routine, thumbs up this video and comment down below. If I don't see comments, I'm not doing the curly hair routine. No, I'm kidding. But until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!